Hello, I'm James from Green Tech, and today I'm going to walk you through your installation of your new pureAir HVAC. pureAir HVAC is the most efficient, sophisticated, and robust duct-mounted whole-home air purification system on the market. Before we get started, let's review a couple quick tips that'll help you with your installation. First, let's talk about power. pureAir HVAC requires a power source in order to operate. If you're a trained professional, you'll be happy to know that it can be hardwired via 24-volt already located inside your air handler. If you're a homeowner, you can use the included power supply to plug directly into a standard 110 outlet. Secondly, let's talk about install location. pureAir HVAC should be installed somewhere between your air handler and the first split of your supply line. If possible, choose a location that's a few feet away from your air handler in order to avoid turbulent or hot air. And lastly, it's important to remember that you want to install pureAir HVAC on your supply side rather than the return. All right, let's talk about what's in the box. An owner's manual, the HVAC ballast housing and mounting plate, ARC cell, your form of power, and mounting hardware kit. Here's a list of tools you'll want to have before you get started. You'll want a utility knife, a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, 10 snips, a power drill with 3.5 inch hole saw, and a 1/4 inch nut driver, duct or aluminum tape. So prep your work area and let's get started. First, remove the ballast housing from the mounting plate by unscrewing all the thumb nuts. Next, use the mounting plate as a general guide for how much insulation needs to be removed. Using a utility knife, remove as much material as necessary. Now that the insulation has been removed, use the mounting plate to again mark the cell opening and the mounting hole locations. Next, we're going to cut a hole out for the ARC saw to pass through. For that, you can use either a 3.5 inch hole saw or a drill bit and 10 snips. Remove the backing from your mounting plate, secure in place, and install with the self-tapping screws. Next, attach the cell to the ballast housing by inserting the UV bulb into the socket and securing with 2 supplied screws. Note, before you secure with screws, while keeping in mind the best location for your power, adjust the position of the cell, ensuring air passes freely through it when mounted. Now, mount the ballast housing onto the mounting plate, ensuring that the cell passes freely through the opening. Tighten down with 4 thumb nuts. If necessary, seal all 4 sides of the mounting plate with aluminum tape. Run your power source and begin enjoying the benefits of whole home air purification.